Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Tesla. Does Tesla only make electric cars? The short and simple answer is yes. Tesla Incorporated is an American multinational company with a clear mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. To achieve this, their primary focus is on producing fully electric vehicles. They do not manufacture any cars that run on gasoline or have hybrid engines. However, saying that Tesla only makes electric cars is a bit of an oversimplification of their overall business. While their automotive division is famous for models like the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y, the company's scope goes beyond just vehicles. Tesla also has a significant energy division. They design and install solar energy systems and produce battery storage products, such as the Powerwall for homes and the Megapack for large-scale grid storage. These products are all part of their larger goal of creating a sustainable energy ecosystem. So, while all of the cars they produce are electric, the company itself is not just a car company. It's an energy and technology company that uses electric vehicles as a key part of its strategy. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.